Hi students, here I am going to explain about anomalous expansion. In this class, we are going to discuss about anomalous expansion. What is meaning of anomalous? Unusual. Anomalous expansion means unusual expansion of water. It is different to usual. We all know that when we cool any substance, particles lose energy and comes close to each other and contracts. Because of contracts, the substance density increases. Density of the substance increases. It is common thing happening in all substances. But in case of water, it is usually density increases when we are cooling the water, but up to 4 degrees. From higher Celsius to 4 degrees continuously. By decreasing temperature, water density of the water increases. This is happen up to only 4 degrees Celsius. Below the 4 degrees Celsius, unusual thing happens. What is that? Water again expand. It is opposite to previous. Below the 4 degrees to 0 degrees, water again expand. This is called anomalous expansion. Due to this, what changes taken place in this water body? Look at here, observe here. Due to cool atmosphere, cool weather, or on mountains, cool mountains near the snow mountains, what will happen? Water receives coolness, release heat from the body, receives coolness. Then what will happen? Gradually water temperature decreases. Then due to that, density of the water increases up to 4 degrees. Once it reaches to 4 degrees, again water expand. Because of anomalous expansion, unusual expansion, 4 to 0 degrees again expand. On further cooling, because of surrounding atmosphere, on further cooling, what will happen? The upper layer of the water, temperature of the upper layer of the water decreases and convert into ice. Here, because of decreasing temperature 4 to 0 degrees, what is happening? Expands, the substance water will expand, and due to expansion, what will happen? Density decreases. That is why ice floats above the water. Water density is more than ice density. Here density is decreasing because of continuous expansion up to 0 degrees. Because of continuous expansion, ice density decreases and volume increases. Ice density decreases. So that is why ice floats above the water. Continuously receiving coolness from the surroundings, the cold temperature transferred to below water. The coolness transferred to ice to below the water. That is why what will happen? Near the ice, the upper layers slowly convert into ice particles, means denser. So below the ice, the water remains as water only because of expansion, water remains as stays. So upper layer only become as ice, and near the ice, the surroundings also slowly get denser. Below the water up to 4 degrees Celsius, it remains as is, as water only. This water only helpful to live the aquatic animals inside the water body. That condition is favorable to aquatic animals inside the water body. So such a way we can explain about anomalous expansion by using this phenomena. Thank you for watching.